Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I've just been busy, I'm sorry. But I'm here to unbox my September Boxycharm. I was really sad I wasn't able to get the Boxy Luxe this month, but hopefully next time when it comes around I'll be able to get it. But I just got the base box this month for September, so yeah, I mean, I know I'm a little late, but I'd just rather unbox it anyways until I get my October one. But this is the September base box for Boxycharm. So we're gonna open it up, and it comes with our nice little postcard. This is Boxy Glam Vibes Only, and we're gonna just go through everything that we got and see the prices and everything. So first we have these Luna Magic Los Angeles, New York Beauty with a Latina vibe. These are brushes. I absolutely love this bag. This is so cute. It's like a little zip bag, and there are 4 brushes inside. They are not labeled, they just say Luna Magic, but this is super cute. This is definitely a blending brush right here, and this looks like a definer brush. I don't know my brushes, guys. Am I bad? Oh well. Then they have this cute little, it looks like a packer brush, and then this one looks like a cute little contour brush. Very pretty. They're very soft. They're very pretty and very soft. I love the primary color situation here, and then, you know, orange, but I think they're super cute, and I'm super excited to try these out. I say this to everybody, you can never have enough brushes. I know it sucks because washing brushes is not everybody's favorite thing to do. But this is the Luna Magic Beauty Blended Girl 4-piece brush set. Blended Girl Luna Magic Beauty luxury brush set is here to stay. This cruelty-free brush set includes all the essential brushes for you to complete your glamorous eye looks. Be precise, be bold, and blend it, girl. So this retails for a total of $18, and I mean, I think that's a good price for 4 brushes and the little bag. I think that's cute. Next, we have this Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream here. It's very cute. I like the cherry smell. I have the Pharmacy, the balm melt that takes off your makeup. I have that, and it's so good. Absolutely love it. The cherry scent in this obviously has like a little stopper here. The cherry scent is so good. It smells amazing. I'm excited to try this. It's really small, super cute, and again, it's just an eye cream, so you don't really need much. This will probably last you for a long time, because again, you just put it underneath your eyes before you go to bed or whatnot. And yeah, the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with an acerola cherry. A super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Ooh, definitely need that. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. The this retails for $45. That's a lot of money, but if it works, it works. Next, I got this Levito hand cream here. I have something else from this brand. I can't remember what it is. I think it's something for my hair. But I have something else from Levito. This is patchouli, vanilla, and shea butter. Obviously, this is to soothe, nourish, and protect for all skin types. This word is so hard for me. Winter's coming, and especially now with the whole pandemic happening and everything, my hands have been getting so dry from using hand sanitizer all the time and washing your hands all the time. So this is actually going to be a lifesaver. I'm so excited to try this out. So this is the Levito Nurturing Hand Balm. An area prone to environmental change, this hand cream is the sweet, earthy scent of patchouli and vanilla and is rich in organic shea butter and plant-based hyaluronic acid, helping to soothe, soften, and protect hands from the environmental damage, dryness, and chafing. This retails for a total of $14. I don't think that's a bad, actually that's not a bad price, I think, for like this hand cream. I don't think it's that bad of a price. Next we got the Hank and Henry satin cream lipstick here. I absolutely love this packaging. I think it's so cute. This is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. It's all sparkly and nice. This is in the shade Te Amo, which is so cute. And then it has a button up here which releases the lipstick down here. And you just pull it out, and then look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. It is so sparkly and pretty. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it here on our arm. That's so pigmented. Look at how beautiful. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Bitch, with the right lip gloss over top. And then you just push it back in. And there you go. This is so, like, it feels so, this whole packaging situation, like, it feels so bougie. You know, like, I feel like this just feels, oh, let me just get my lipstick. I don't know, I just feel so, like, expansive. I feel expansive. This is cute. And the shade, look at it, it's beautiful. Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. Love your lips with Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. Say that 5 times fast. I dare you. Lip Love Love Lipstick. No. Lip Love Luxe. No. Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. Lip Love no. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. Definitely smooth, definitely pigmented. Like, that was one swipe. You guys saw it here first. This retails for $18. Not gonna lie to you, I would buy this for $18. Well, let's see. Let's wear it a little more and see how it looks on the lips and all that other stuff. But so far, I have like a really good feeling about this, and it looks just so beautiful. It's definitely very aesthetically pleasing. Last but not least, my favorite part of every box is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Hip Dot Zion palette. It looks beautiful. This packaging is gorgeous, and we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I love that. And then you get this gorgeous mirror here, and then look at this palette. Oh, this purple, so beautiful. Look at how pretty this palette is. I feel like this is just such a beautiful, like, fall palette, which is so great because obviously it's coming, and it's just beautiful. I feel like it, look at Peppermint right there. Look at her. Oh. I think this is just such a beautiful palette. It's so versatile. You have like nice neutrals in here, but you also have like your cute little pops of color, soft colors. I think this is just a really beautiful palette, especially for somebody who doesn't like to be so out there, like with reds and blues and greens. But this is just such a really soft, neutral, nice palette with beautiful colors in them. And I'm so excited to try this and use this on my eyes and doing makeup. I'm really excited to try this eyeshadow palette out. It looks beautiful. And Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. This retails for $30. I will definitely, I would buy this. I'm definitely going to check out the Hip Dot website because I've heard of this brand. I have heard of this brand before, but I've never checked out their website. But this palette looks beautiful, and I've heard that their stuff is so good, but I've just never bought any of them. But yeah, I'm so excited to try this out. And there you have it. There is our September base Boxycharm box. I'm really excited about this box. The eyeshadow palette and everything inside was just so beautiful, and I'm really excited to use everything, make beautiful eyeshadow looks and make beautiful makeup looks. And I'm just really excited to try it all out. Hopefully I will be able to record more videos, like more actual eyeshadow videos and reviews. There's so many videos I have to do, but I'm super excited about this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia. I'm a mess, and I'm so happy to be your friend. You know, I'm that messy friend. I'm all over the place. But thank you guys for watching so much. I will leave everything that I showed off in this video down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And what else? Don't forget to comment down below anything else you guys want me to do, whether it's a makeup tutorial, reviews, whatever it is. Please give me some ideas down below. I will definitely try to get those out to you. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.